All right, back row. Can't see anything on that row. Back row. Hey, volunteer, please. First step, go ahead.
24 over 3, negative 24 over 3.
You multiply everything by 12?
Yeah.
Okay, listen up, folks, please. Okay, go ahead. A little louder. Go ahead. Negative 24, you said?
Yep.
Keep going.
And then negative 12.
Yeah.
Over 4. And then equals 12x over 2.
Yeah.
Plus 12 over 2.
Okay, now one last time from someone other than Julia. Why did I multiply by 12? What am I trying to do here? Yes. Oh no. What am I trying to do here? Anybody, spell it out.
Because we hate fractions.
No, we don't hate fractions. We're trying to get rid of the fractions. We're trying to get rid of the fraction. That's what we're trying to do. Right? We want it so you have just number, and you can do algebra. Someone in the middle row. Can I volunteer, please? Austin, go ahead.
So you're going to divide the top number and the bottom number.
Go ahead.
So it's negative 8x.
Yes.
Minus 3.
Yeah.
Equals 6x plus 4.
Very good. Okay. Now we have 4 whole numbers. That's what we wanted here. Can I volunteer in the front? Okay, go ahead.
You organize the x's, so
Yeah.
negative ax minus 6x and equals 4 plus 3.
Good. Someone at the back, even that up for me, please. Yeah, Cody, go ahead. Yeah. Good. Someone from the middle. Yeah, go ahead.
Well,
You said stand up for the last time.
Oh.
Go ahead, Chris.
X equals negative 1 over 3.
Yeah, so let's just show how we get that. So x equals negative 7 over 14. Divide both by 7. Okay. So that's very good to put in all those terms in. Okay, and you don't need to show that. You can go right from here to here. Okay, generally the way it works for math, we want a positive denominator. That's just generally how it goes.
So
You just switch it, right? Because it's like a positive divided by a negative is the same as a negative divided by a positive.
wait, so if there's a negative on the bottom, the other not?
Yeah. So just, generally that's what's going to happen. Because if you're thinking, like 1 over negative 2 really means like 1 divided by negative 2, right? Which is equal to negative 1 divided by 2. Like they all mean the same thing, which is negative 1. Like a positive divided by negative is still going to be the same as a negative divided by a positive.
Can you put it in line with the line?
Sorry?
Can you put like the negative in line with like the line, like the 1 and the 2? Just make it
Like, can't you put it at the side?
Yes, this is also equal to this, if you prefer. Like that, I mean?
Yeah.
That all 3 of those mean the same thing. Okay?
So if we do on the test 1 over minus 2,
No, but like long term, like you'll never see in your textbook 1 over negative 2. Like, never ever in your life will you see that. Yes, John.
Could you just do negative 0.5?
You certainly could not. Someone please explain to John why I don't want negative 0.5. I want fractions instead of decimals, always. Always in life. So get in the habit, even for 1/2, change it to leave it as a fraction. Right? Because again, you're always going to come to fractions. Yeah. Yes, that's the number C, which I'm going to do right now. Okay. This one is going to be, is everyone done with the left-hand board? Are we done with the left board? Yes? No comment, just keep moving. Where do I stop my way? Okay, so Chris stopped, so we're over the front here. Okay. This is the most difficult type of question. Something like that. Okay, the reason this is difficult because there's like brackets and stuff. Okay, that's why things are difficult. Okay. This is, you cannot just multiply by 12 and have it all work out because this 2/3 is actually hitting everything, right, already. And this 2/3 is actually hitting everything, okay? So what I'm going to say is, and I'll give you a hint and I'll let you guys do it. Number 1 is expand all your brackets. And then number 2, multiply by LCD. Expand all brackets means, multiply through. Okay, so you do 2/3 times x, 2/3 times 1/2, and then 2/3 times all of these things, and then do your LCD. Okay, so give it a try.
Your 2/3 and that's just
2/3
2/3.
2/3 x. Okay, so expand your brackets first, then multiply by the LCD, and then we'll take that one out. Okay, back row. Back row? You're going frontwards. I can't remember. Back row. First step is going to be what? Swing from the back row. Bailey, go ahead.
2/3 times x.
Yeah.
2/3 x.
Yeah.
Plus 2/6.
Oh. She said plus is going to be negative. Now why is it negative, right? Negative times plus is going to be negative. One thing I'm going to do, actually I'm not going to do it yet. I'll do it after. Okay, can I get someone from the front row to be exceptionally brave and do some multiplying for me, please? Teresa, go ahead.
I don't know if LCD was 108.
Don't worry about else. Don't worry about that yet.
Oh, no? Oh,
Do this stuff first.
Okay. So I got 2/12
Yeah.
x minus 4/9x minus 4/18x equals.
Okay. Now, no, it doesn't equal 1.
Oh,
It actually does equal 1. Yes. Ooh, I'm too excited.
not to be like,
I lost my.
that's how I got.
Okay, I'm going to do things a little differently than you guys probably did. Okay, I'm going to right now bring things to lowest terms. You do not have to do this step. Okay, but always you want to try and do lowest terms. It will make things easier. Can I get someone from the middle row to tell me what 2/12 changes to?
Wait, never mind.
What
I
is
did
it?
it.
Oh, it's okay. What does 2/12 change to? Yeah, go ahead.
I have a question. Why is it 4/9?
Okay, the question was why is it 4/9? So we just multiply 2 times all these, right? So 2 times -2 is -4. 3 times 3 is 9, right? You're multiplying both of them. Okay, somebody from the middle, what's 2/12 the same as? Yeah, Maggie, go ahead.
1/6.
1/6. 4/9, well, you don't have to, but it'll make your life easier. What's 4/18? Someone from the back change into? So we go try, I can't remember what way we're going. Someone from the back, what's 4/18 change into? Smith and Bailey. Go ahead, Trinity.
2/9.
2/9. Now again, you don't have to do that. Okay, but for me, it makes the question smaller, okay, which is always what you want to do. Okay, now for the difficult part. What is my LCD? Someone from the front, please. Someone from the front, what's my LCD? Okay, go ahead, Tasha.
18.
18. Next. 36 will work too, but 18. So I'm going to multiply by 18. Now, if you did yours differently, and you're saying, Mr. Sadler, I didn't do your mine like this, that's okay. As long as we get the same answer. Okay? So, someone from the middle, can you multiply everything by 18 for me, please? Let's go.
Well, 18/6x
Yeah.
minus 72/9x
Yeah.
minus 36/9 equals 18.
Thank you. And again, if you're saying, Mr. Sav, I didn't have my line wasn't quite the same as this, that's okay. Okay, it should be close to it though. Okay. This next line should probably be the same. Someone from the back, can you do all from the back? Do all the dividing for me, please. Oh, the enthusiasm is overwhelming back row.
I have a question. Why is it equal 18?
Because we multiplied all 4 of these by 18, right? Somebody from the right hand side of the back row, please divide. Before you go. 18/6 is. Yeah. 72/9 is. 36/9 is. Yep. And hopefully you guys got something like that or a multiple of that. Okay, right? You might have had 6x minus 16x minus 8 equals 36. That you might have had, and that's fine. I got a brave soul from the front, or Natasha. You're not in the front row, Chris.
Well, it kind of goes to the front row here.
I'm too worked up here. You made me yell at you, so I appreciate your enthusiasm. So we're going to Natasha in the front row. What do I do now? Oh, please. Everyone's down here today.
I'm not Mr. Sadler.
Go ahead.
You put the negative 4 over to the other side so it's possible.
And before you guys do your erasing, you might get the right answer still. It might be possible. Someone from the middle row. Chris, take it, go.
Negative 5x equals 22.
Someone from the back, last step. There you go.
Divided by
X equals negative 22. Now, is it possible to get this a different way? Yes, it is. The beautiful thing about algebra is you can work in a whole different ways down the page. I do what I consider to be the easiest. John first. Yes.
Is it wrong if it's negative 22 over 5?
No, that's right. Negative 22 over 5 works, yeah.
I mean negative 5 over 22?
Yeah, negative 5 over 22 is incorrect, right? Because remember, you're dividing by whatever the number is in front of the x, right? Because like negative 22 over 5, if you go to decimals, is negative 4.4. Negative 5 over 22 is like 0.2 or something like that. So they're way different numbers. Okay, can I get everyone to close their eyes and put their heads on their desks right now? So I'm curious.